Today, we'll talk about one of the best ways to grow your wealth, investing in the stock market. Whether you're a beginner or need a refresher, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understand the stock market. The stock market is where investors buy and sell shares of companies. When you buy a share, you're buying a small piece of that company. If the company does well, the value of your shares goes up. If it does poorly, the value can go down. Step 2. Set up your brokerage account. To buy and sell stocks, you need a brokerage account. This is like a bank account, but for investing. There are many online brokerages like Robinhood, E-Trade, and Fidelity. Look for one with low fees, an easy-to-use platform, and good customer service. Once you've chosen a brokerage, sign up, provide some personal information, and fund your account. Step 3. Research stocks. Before you invest, do your homework. Look at companies you're familiar with or interested in. Check their financial health, revenue growth, and industry position. Websites like Yahoo Finance, Google Finance, and Morningstar are great for this information. Understanding the company and its potential for growth is key to making smart investment decisions. Step 4. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification means spreading your investments across different assets to reduce risk. Instead of putting all your money into one stock, buy a mix of stocks from different sectors, or different types of investments like bonds or mutual funds. A diversified portfolio protects your investments against market volatility. Step 5. Buy your first stock. Now that you've done your research and set up your account, it's time to buy. Log into your brokerage account, search for the stock you want to buy, and decide how many shares you want. You can place a market order, which buys the stock at the current price, or a limit order, which buys the stock at a specific price. Double check everything, then hit buy. Congratulations, you're now a stockholder. Step 6. Monitor and adjust your portfolio. Investing isn't a set it and forget it activity. Keep an eye on your investments and review your portfolio regularly. If a company isn't performing as expected, or if your financial goals change, adjust your holdings. Staying informed and flexible will help you make the most of your investments. And there you have it, 6 steps to get started with investing in the stock market. I hope this video has given you a solid foundation to begin your investment journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments what other finance topics you'd like to see. Don't forget to subscribe.